So today, we had so much fun doing the first one, we thought we would add a second and a little tiny station. That can be a workstation or it can be a herb garden. It can be whatever you'd like it to be. But we thought it'd be handy just to have a little thing in the middle there for a little herb garden for now. And then in behind there, we thought we were going to plant this year our potatoes back there. So we're going to be getting those going right away. So first of all, we're not going to do a step-by-step process this time. We just thought we'd put it in fast forward and just show you, speed it up, and just let you see what we did, just to give you some more ideas. So just for fun, we thought we'd give you a little breeze through the second one also. So just for fun. I'm going to bring you around and give you a little close-up of the bed, both beds. And the third one actually down yonder, but we didn't film that one, but we'll just give you a glimpse of it anyways. Okay, so this is our little second one here. We thought that would make a good little herb garden. So we made it like a 2x2, not quite, it's actually a little bit longer. Fill it up with soil, do a little row of green onions in here, and then put some of these, like 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could have like a little workstation right there. I think for this year we're gonna do herbs in here. So probably green onions, thyme, oregano, and then the bigger one there, we're gonna put potatoes. And then down here at this end, we've added one more. So we just need to fill this one up with some soil. We're running out of soil here. And just wanted to give you a shot of all the beds here together. These are in full sun, so this is the best location for us to put our beds. Here's our garlic that we planted last fall. So we'll be able to use that after we're in July probably for something else. Here's the little onions growing away with their leaf mulch. So that's a little update. I hope you enjoyed the little speed through. Wish we could do it that fast in real time. But anyhow, a little update on the garlic and a little update on the onions. So thanks for popping by. And we'll catch you on the next one. And I just thought I'd give you the little end result here. But I thought I'd just, okay. Yeah,